food web, the producers would be the grass, the cathedral, fig tree, shrubs, trees, forest flame flower, and the staghorn fern. Primary consumers would include the Colobus monkey, the sloth, deer, mice, and birds. Secondary consumers would be owls, and tertiary consumers would be bears and cougars. Predation would be humans, chimps, and large snakes, and competition is sloth, deer, mice, and birds. We're doing the Colobus monkey, and its location is in Africa, in the forest. It stays in the tropical forest the majority of the time. Now, the biotic features are plants, trees, bamboo, animals, ferns, wildlife fertilizer, and flowers. The abiotic features are some glaciers, water, soil, warm, humid, and lots of rain. Now, the trees help the monkey because it stays in the trees 24/7 and it barely goes to the ground. It eats, sleeps, does everything in the trees unless it needs water. And the abiotic features such as the warm, humid, and lots of rain help the plants grow and the trees grow, so it has food to eat and the trees it has trees to stay in, and it doesn't really have adaptations to the environment because it's white and black and a green and brown area, so it stays in the trees high above their predators, so the predators can't get them.
No, but for real, here are the real predators: humans, large snakes, and chimps. And its competition would be sloths, deer, mice, and birds. The Colobus monkey is a small creature. The symbiotic relationship would be mutualism, the relationship between the Colobus monkey and the bacteria in its gut. It's mutualistic, meaning both benefit off the toxics from a specific leaf only the Colobus monkey can eat.
Their physical characteristics would be their specialized digestive system. A chambered ruminant stomach allows them to eat leaves that other primates cannot. They are excellent climbers. Most Colobus species spend the majority of their time in the trees eating and sleeping, rarely touching the forest floor. The Colobus monkeys are mutilated, which means they have a small nub where their thumb should be. They have 4 extra long fingers that are used to wrap around branches like a hook. When it is born, it is white. It almost takes 5 weeks to resemble its parents. It lives up to 20 years in captivity. The diet is omnivore. It lives in groups of 9 members. Gestation is 129 through 180 days.
With these mutilated hands, they use them as hooks on branches. It rarely descends to the ground and uses branches as trampolines, jumping up and down on them to get lifts up to far leaps up to 50 feet. The Colobus monkey leaps up and then drops downward, falling with outstretched arms and legs to grab the next branch. Their mantled hair and tails are believed to act as a parachute during these long leaps.